Hello, my friends. Welcome to the very, very, very first Fold It Club video, the premiere Fold It for our Fold It Club. I'm so excited. November 1st, 2022, it is shipping. So if you're watching this later, I hope you're going to be able to get in on it. You need to join in the month before November 1st, 2022, or within the month of November 2022 to get this folded, because you know what? It is exclusive to the club, meaning it will not be for sale on our website for a minimum of 1 year, at least 1 year. Right now we're looking at our release schedule. It's looking closer to 15 months. So if you want to get in on this Fold It, you need to get into the club. And guess what, my friends? You will get an exclusive free $26.99 value freebie die set for joining the Fold It Club. And that you will never be able to buy. Never, ever, 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 never be able to buy. So you only can get it by joining the Fold It Club. Are you ready? Are you ready to see it? I'm so excited. I've been waiting forever, and my design team, my web team got it, and I'm ready. Boom, let's go. It is the Bumblebee Fold It. The Fold It is an A2 size card base. It's gonna fit in standard machines, and you are getting all of these awesome little dies, including little eyes in case you wanna die cut those separately, because the eyes stay in there for this one. There are also extra dies in here to do extra layering and or shaker wings. Can you imagine doing a cute little shaker wings on all four of those wings? So adorable. The samples, you're gonna just like fall over. Are you ready? First of all, of course, you're gonna get the idea card, and notice there, Premiere Fold It. Yes, this is the first one. Dun, 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 dun. Now you're also getting 2 stencils. So here is a mini hexagon stencil with a twist, because, let's open this up, with a twist, because it also has these cute little flowers up at the top where you can stencil those and then add the cute little center to it. Now I did something a little special on this stencil. In these little flowers, I know you can't see them on camera, when you see them in real life, you'll see them. The little hexagon that goes right there is gently outlined. So when you do this one first, lay this part on top, you'll be able to line it up perfectly. I know, it's amazingly awesome. Okay, mini hexagon with flowers. Also in the kit, because you get 2 stencils, also in the kit are stencils to use with your bee. So you get these cute little fun swirls for the wings. You get some stripes for the body and some dots for the body. Here is a perfect example on one of our fun banners of the wings inked and the dots on her body. Aren't they adorable? I absolutely love it. Now, let me show you all the samples, and then I'm going to show you the freebie. Okay, of course, Michelle made a cute little stuffy. Look how cute she is. Absolutely love her. So adorable. Here's a cute one, adding the fun beehive if you wanted to make it an extra large card. Cheryl added lots of 3D ink on that one. Ooh, what about adding glitter wings? Don't forget, you cannot buy this set. You cannot buy this set unless you're in the Fold It Club, and it will be sent to you automatically. No one can buy this unless they're in the Fold It Club. Look at how cute this one is with that little bow on top. Oh, look at how gorgeous that little stenciling is. Joyful. Here we go. Here we go. Here is our shaker. Our shaker. Isn't it adorable? You can't see on camera very well, but there are some dots on that little body. So adorable. Now, I also promised you, and she doesn't stand up as perfectly, so what you want to do, oh, this is a good tip. What you want to do if you want her to stand, you're going to just, oh, let me trim one of the ones we made. So we're going to trim just a little bit, tiny bit on the bottom to make it flat. And boom, now she's going to, oh, you're going to have to edit that. Boom, now she's going to stand. Look how cute. Okay, now, are you ready for this? Are you ready for your freebie? Are you ready for your freebie? $26.99 value. You will never be able to buy this. You are getting, and I hope you like all of our big banners like this, because you are getting a decal edge banner set, 3 dies, and the little things to put on the inside so you can hang it. One thing about this set, really quick, most of our team doesn't use these little tops up here. They usually put the strings down below, so I did not include them in this one. So just a heads up on that. There's a reason. Number one, most people don't use it. They cut them off, including me. So I use these dies instead because it makes your banner stronger when you hang it. So when you hang a big heavy banner, those little notches don't tend to hold them very well. So I said, you know what, let's not even put them on there. Let's just make it just like this. Decal edge, 3 dies total, so lots of layering options on this one as well, and the little holes to be able to put it up at the top. Brand new, free to everyone in the Fold It Club. Now, if you're not in the Fold It Club, you cannot buy either of these products. You'll never be able to buy the banner set because that's only for people in the Fold It Club. Can you believe it? Now, if you're not in the Fold It Club and you're just like, well, I wasn't sure if I was gonna join, I don't know if I have any yet to ship to you right now because all of the people that joined ahead of time, boom, most of them, because we sold out, most of them are shipping November 1st. Some of them that have signed up will be shipping probably November 10th, our second shipment. I'm a little concerned. I don't know if we have any left of the second shipment. I might need to order more. So get in as quickly as you can. You're gonna love it. Every month you're gonna get a Fold It and 2 stencils every single month. It's absolutely awesome. And your cute little postcard. So thank you so much. Go check out the Fold It Club. Those of you that are already in, that signed up at the very beginning, chances are yours are shipping out today. So maybe you're in the Die Hard Club too. And maybe you're in the Kit Club. Maybe you're a Diamond Club member. Whoa! I know. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Kenny and I appreciate it absolutely so much. You guys, when you buy from us, you're buying from a little tiny company in California. Our kid works for us. We have 3.5 employees. We're a little tiny small business in Southern California. We're not some big corporation that has 100 employees. No, when you email us, you talk to one of my 3 employees. That's amazing, right? So thank you so much for your support. We appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.